Hey, oh, I thought I was. Okay. Hey YouTube, it's TheRealJDoll here on TheRealJDoll's channel, and guess what? Well, I actually got like a mouthful to kind of tell you guys. Basically, I tried to record a day in my life, like literally like 5 times, and it's just I wasn't impressed. I wasn't satisfied with the quality. I would vlog the first half of the day, not vlog the second half. It was just so many problems, so I was really getting discouraged. But then it's like I did a lot. I have a lot of footage from a lot of different days, so I decided to compile them together in a week in my life vlog. So really it's like the next week, but I'm doing it again this week. Well, now I'm doing it again. Basically, I'm taking you back to the past, you know, like on some That's So Raven. No, that's Raven's future. Anyways, it's gonna be a week in my life vlog compilation. But let's go ahead and take it back to last Sunday when I went to Stars and Strikes. Was it Sunday? Monday. Yeah. So let's go ahead and take a look. With Tootie and her best friend. We're out bowling tonight.
Oh no, it's still yoga?
It's Monday night and we are out bowling. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Hello.
Hey y'all, back up and record Jalen bowling. I'm winning so far, as you know. Who you know that can bowl with nails on?
Baby, come on.
You gotta get the strike.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, baby, that wasn't no strike. Look, was that a strike? So yeah, let's go.
I'm in second place, but I ain't last, so that's okay.
She was in first, but yeah. We changed that, didn't we? Oh, Michael. Oh. Stepping on who?
Learn how to bowl with nails.
Alright, let's watch the whole process. Now look at this.
Come on. Don't do that.
Now she really showing out, y'all. Oh wow, this is ghetto. Anyways, just waking up. And let's go ahead and get up and get into my day. Yay. Yeah, so I started realizing how late I was to class, and I decided to go ahead and log in. Oh, look at me. Oh, that's funny. Oh, snap. I joined class with you.
So, understand that when we are dealing with student standards, right? So we do have now one of the standards that we are focusing on. Chapter 7, right?
How
so
late to class
planning,
online?
okay? Planning and supervising. That's kind
Take my
of
break.
wanted you guys to remember what we talked about, and now
So now I'm about to make
we
my
are talking
bed.
about field.
Then I'm
Field
gonna
work we
eat
need to be
while I'm
looking
in
at.
class. this is my outfit of the day. Okay, and this is my running errands outfit of the day. You've probably seen this in my last Shein haul, and if you haven't seen the video, make sure you go see the video. But let's go ahead and get to this hair, because I know y'all see that braid sticking and acting funny up there. So let's go. Boom. Got my house shoes on. They're dirty, but that's life. Gotta get some more. And yes, the workout got pushed back 30 minutes. So I can really enjoy my meal now. How am I gonna hold this? Because I'm right-handed. I cannot. I got some chicken tenders and fries. These fries are actually like the Checkers or Rally's fries. They sell them at Walmart or whatever. So I got some of them, and then I just did 2 Tyson chicken tenders because I didn't want to do too much before this workout. Why? Now your girl about to eat a little snacky snack. Let me get my sauce. What sauce do I want? Chick-fil-A or barbecue? I think I'm gonna do barbecue sauce. Okay, got some Sweet Baby Ray. Stop playing with me, and I'm about to eat. Gabe, tell my YouTube channel what we doing today.
What's going on? We working out today. What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? I'm Gabriel Barton, James Brother, you know what I'm saying? Today we out here at Big Springs Park, and I'm basically working out. I'm showing everybody home fitness. That's my brand. Bob, myself, personal fitness band, but basically a home fitness kit due to the quarantine and stuff going on. But out here, we social distance, we having a good time, got the music on, you feel me? And yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting Jay right. She's getting that summer bike, you know.
I just want to congratulate everybody today for coming out. Appreciate y'all for supporting me. We got another boot camp coming up next week. Good job.
Ooh, we blurry. We back. Hey y'all, so guess what? I am in the kitchen. As you can tell, I have my knife, but I'm in the kitchen. And I'm about to cook something I've never cooked before, but I'm just gonna put stuff together and we gonna see. Cause lately I've just been putting stuff together and it's been good, so we don't keep, doing that. So today I am making spinach and shrimp Alfredo. I have some of my ingredients out. I made some pasta before, and I had all these noodles left. So got noodles, we got crab. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put some crab in there. We got some spinach. They got a little bit of Parmesan. Got some onions, some olive oil. Got some green onions, just another green onion, some cilantro, some mushrooms, and then we got the shrimp over here defrosting in the water, unthawing or whatever. So that's what's on the menu for tonight, and hopefully it turns out okay. Okay, so we got the noodles, and we got the shrimp and crab and greens in here. I said greens, weird. But yeah, we got all that. So now I'm about to add the Alfredo sauce in here, and then I'm gonna see what we're looking like after that. But we looking pretty good. Can't even lie to you. Can't even lie. All right, we got the Alfredo, the milk, the cheese. Okay, now it's time to mix the two together. So, all right. Let's see. It looks pretty good though, and it smells really good. So hopefully, it's what it need to be. And guys, this is the finished product, and it looks so good. I had to add a little parsley on top to make it look fancy for y'all. But it looks good, smells good, and I know it tastes even better. So today, I'm currently on my way to work. Yes, I work, guys. I don't just, go to school. I do work too, so working woman status, working scholar woman status. Yeah, I work at an accounting firm, and that's all I'm gonna say that on that. And this internship that I have is like through the school, kinda. It counts as a course as well. Anyways, guess what? I have so much to do today. I'm on my way to work. Then after work, I have a photo shoot with my girl Jada, and I am looking forward to that. I have class after I get off work. It's currently 12:12. I have to be to work. Oh, 12:12, make a wish. Okay, so then after class, I'm gonna do my makeup, photo shoot, and then maybe I'm going to get a camera today. I don't know. I really want to though. Like my first YouTube camera. It's pretty big. But yes, I'm on my way to work now driving, so I'm about to put my phone down so I can really focus on the road. Okay, so I know my camera quality isn't that well right now, but I just really had to get on here and say, like, please, y'all, please be safe. There was somebody that passed away in an organization that I am in, actually president of, this morning in a car accident. On my way to work, I just passed a car accident, and I just, please, guys, I pray blessings and safety amongst all you guys watching, not watching, subscribe, unsubscribe, but please just be safe. But yes, okay, so now I got about 9 minutes before I actually clock in. So I'm about to listen to one more song, and then I'm gonna walk into work. Okay, so now it's like 3 something. I'm here with one of my OGs since freshman year. Stop playing with her. Knew this girl when I couldn't do a lick of makeup. Didn't know a lick of nothing.
Help with the girly girl.
And, yeah, she helped bring the real J-Doll. She actually gave me the name J-Doll. So y'all, the OG right here, for real. And I'm about to show y'all some of her products soon in a minute after I get myself together, because she's selling headbands, glasses, bags, whatever you need, she got it. But I'm about to do my makeup real quick, and then yeah, after we get that done, I'm gonna come back and show y'all her stuff, and then show y'all what I'm about to do for the rest of the day, because I still have a photo shoot coming up soon, so stay in tune for that. I don't know if this bar will be up by the time I get there. So guys, my makeup's all done, and I'm here with my beautiful, wonderful photographer, my favorite 40, my only 40.
Only 40.
But yes, this is my photographer for today. This is Jada. I will be shooting with TheRealJDoll today. Did I say it right? Mm-hmm. Okay. I told Kennedy Labor by accident earlier today, but so I'm here with TheRealJDoll, and I will tag her Instagram and page, all that below. You want to say anything about your
I just want to show off my awesome camera strap.
Oh yes, love it.
It's
love
upside
it.
down, but y'all get the gist.
It's so cute.
It's still upside down.
Yeah,
There we go.
it's really cute though. No cap. Stop playing with her. Get into it. Get into it. Get into it. We're about to shoot, and then we're gonna get us some sushi, and then I think that'll be that. So I'm gonna take you guys with us. Okay, so we're taking pictures now, and we found these cool little light things. There's one back there, but we thought this would be cool to take pictures in front of, and I'm going to show you the behind the scenes of the picture taking process. My girl on the visuals. Period. Oh yeah, she dropped the camera. And we're kind of like taking our pictures in front of a eatery or whatever, and as soon as she dropped the camera, everybody want to get quiet, like there's nothing to see here, people. Okay, so we just finished shooting, and now we are getting sushi at Poking sushi. Hoshi. I don't know. But look at the ceiling. It's so cool. So. Okay. So we got some glasses of plum wine. And they're Japanese wines. Never had it before. So we're gonna try it on camera. It smell good? Yeah. No, I got it. $6 gonna be out of drink. It smelled like sushi.
Oh my god.
So
we get
Japanese wine, 1, us 0.
next sushi.
Right. Hopefully the sushi don't taste like this one. Alright, so we'll be back when the sushi comes out.